Graphology is art and science to analyze thoughts, behavioral pattern and personality traits. Handwriting is also called brainwriting.
Person can lie but handwriting cannot.
Next comes the advantages of graphology. 1. Discover your hidden strengths and weakness. 2. Avoid unnecessary frustration. 3. Convert failures into success. 4. Improve focus and attention to details. 5. Boost your self-esteem and confidence. 6. Reduce anxiety and depression. 7. Understand your true inner self, partner, child, boss and others more effectively. Now let's find out what all handwriting cannot do. 1. Can't tell if a person is male or female. 2. Can't tell if a person is right-handed or left-handed. 3. Can't guess age or physical appearance. 4. Can't predict future. For detailed analysis and growth in life, contact Avanisha +918160432135. Email avaniparekh1985@gmail.com. WhatsApp +971507229240.